What's up guys, it's Blue Apple here. What am I doing with my legs? Okay guys, welcome to Blue Apple and I am Blue Spartan, which is obvious. So today we're going to the common question of the day. How is it like to be a YouTuber? Well, being a YouTuber is like living your ordinary life of gaming, music and other categories. I'm busy with the exams right now and I cannot be always on YouTube with you guys. And I'm posting this video to you just to keep you busy for a while. We're shooting in 4K and the last time we shot with an iPad, which is not normal. Make sure to follow my dad's channel, DJ Brian channel, which is like filled with music. Unlike me, I'm a gamer. So I'll put the link down on the description. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Well, being a YouTuber is not easy. Sometimes it messes you of your studies, your personal life and your jobs. YouTube is like a place where you can let yourself go. So that's the common question of the day for today. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.